Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram blend feature in DMs. Now, to start a blend, first of all head to your DMs, then head to your specific person that you want to start a DM with, that you want to start your blend feature with. Blend feature is a shared reel feed inside your DMs that combines content recommended for you and your friends. Now, to enable this, you will have to go and open your chat box. From there, you will find this option over here right next to your call button. Go ahead and tap on it. From there, you will be able to initiate your blend invitation. Now, once you have invited that particular friend, they should go ahead and accept it. And once you have accepted it, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on that blend option, and you will be able to access the suggested reel between you two. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.